All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and long nose pliers. Before doing anything, eliminate all power to your oven. We need to gain access to the back of the oven. If your oven is in a recess, remove the screws found at the front holding it in place and gently pull your oven out. Remove any trays and shelves from your oven. Unclip the current thermostat capillary tube from the back of the oven. To gain access to the back of the oven, unscrew the screws and place them to one side. Also remove the screws holding the top panel of the oven in place, and again pop these to one side. Now we have access to the top and rear. Firstly, gently slide the existing capillary tube out from the oven cavity. Then slide the oven knob off the front panel and remove both screws. Now push your existing thermostat through. A tip for you, before removing any wiring, take some photos of the existing connections, just so you have a reference for later. With your long nose pliers, remove the wire connectors. These can be stiff to take off. Then remove the thermostat from the switch. Remove the wiring from the clip and you'll be able to fully remove your old thermostat. With your new thermostat, unravel the wire and gently drop the capillary tube down the back of the oven. Then slot it into the oven cavity. Now connect your new thermostat to the existing switch. You can then reconnect the wiring, using the photo from earlier if needed. Thread the thermostat through the front panel of the oven, ensuring it goes in with the earth wire at the top. Then rescrew the two screws into the front panel to hold your thermostat in place. Reattach the knob, giving it a quick test to make sure it's rotating correctly. Using your screwdriver or something flat, reclip the wiring into place. With your new capillary tube inside the oven cavity, gently clip it to the back of the oven. Place the top panel back on the oven and rescrew the screws back in. Then do the same for the rear panel. Insert any trays and shelves back into the oven, and if you had to remove your oven from a recess, place it back in and secure it tightly with the screws. And that's it, your new oven thermostat is all set to go.